Dreaming about your new listing in Columbus, Ohio area. It's almost that time to list your house, but you're left wondering which agent should I go with? The one who uses modern methods or the one who leans towards the traditional old school methods? First, let's start off by breaking down the old school traditional methods most agents practice. Open houses every weekend, brochures, flyers, postcards, full of marketing information people don't understand or possibly don't even care about. Automated emails full of recipes and marketing reports taking up space in your inbox. Just listed or sold templates all over social media, and the list goes on and on. I'm Annette Marble, and I'm with Key Realty, and I am your modern agent. Let's be clear, a lot of agents still use these outdated methods and still have tons of success. But that's about as sad as someone who says their flip phone still makes phone calls or their VHS player still plays VHS tapes. Like, that's great, but there's so much more out there that is a lot more effective and resonates with people on a deeper level. Which brings me to my modern methods, which is all about, you guessed it, connecting with people on a lot deeper level. Modern agents who use these modern practices practice lifestyle marketing. They show up on social and they know how to leverage it without being a salesy or stuffy. They have story over sales pitch mentality. We highlight the unique location of each listing in a way that celebrates the local community, and they use simple but effective tools like their seller's top 10 list to speak to potential buyers in a personal, worthwhile way. Our listings are stop the scroll listings, and these listings descriptions sound more like a story than an actual sales punchline. Traditional methods may eventually get the job done, but did they attract the most buyers? Did your home get the most attention it truly deserved? Did the listing description and the photo platform create the demand it could have? I'm passionate about my marketing techniques because I am passionate about serving my clients well. DM me if you think my strategy is what you're looking for. As always, we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.